Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back again our natural studio. So in this video I'm going to share with you negative people, negativity, and what does negative people do. It's very important for your life, because when you try to learn something, when you try to work something, when you try for success, negative people will stop you. So you have to remind that. So in this video I'm going to share with you negativity, about negative people, and what does negative people do. So listen carefully. This is the best video for you, and it will be very helpful for you for your future life, because sometimes negative people will destroy your motivation, your burning desire. They will break your burning desire. You have to fight with them. That's why you have to prepare. Okay? At the first time, negativity. So negativity, it's a very bad things for your life. You are trying to speak English. You are trying to success. You are so much hardworking for success. But if you have the negativity, you can lose everything. You can lose your burning desire. You can lose your inspiration. So you have to remove your negativity. It's the enemy of you. You have to delete negativity. Okay? You don't have to adjust with negative people all the time. Try to adjust all the time positive people. When you will adjust with the positive people, you can burning desire. But when you will adjust the negative people, you can lose everything. You can lose your burning desire. You can lose your motivation. You can lose your power. So you can't work. You can't success. You won't be able to success. You have to be careful about that. Second is negative people. You are trying to learning English. You are trying to hardworking all the time. You are trying for success. But some people will destroy your motivation. They will say to you, so drop it. You can't do it. It's impossible for you. You can't speak English. You can't learn English. You are wrong. You have wrong pronunciation. So what are you talking about? You have wrong pronunciation. Your English is wrong. They will destroy your burning desire. They will destroy your motivation all the time. So you have to think about that. And you have to think, yeah, it's possible for me. Okay? And try to positive all the time, because this kind of people will try to negative you all the time. They will say you are Englishman, you are trying to learn English. Yeah, I see you can't speak English, it's impossible for you. They will criticize you all the time. You have to understand all the things and try to fight with them and practice every day and show them it's possible for me, I can do it. When you will try to make the video, when you will upload the video, some people will bad comment in comment section. They will say, at the first time you have to learn the pronunciation. At the first time you have to learn English. I will say that kind of people. So you are right. I'm not making video just for you. I'm making the video for improving myself. So why are you watching the video? So don't watch the video. Okay? And try to say this kind of things. And I think negative people will go away from your side. Okay? And never adjust with negative people all the time. Try to adjust positive people. Stay with positive people. You will be able to success. And listen positive talk all the time. Never listen negative talk. You are improving yourself day by day, and you will be able to success one day. That time the negative people will say, you are wrong, you can't do it. Try to pronunciation first. Well, right? So they will destroy your motivation. They will destroy your burning desire. You have to be careful about that. And if you listen the negative people and stop, you can't success. Okay? After listening the negative people, you have to start working more than before. You have to start working more than before. Okay? Try to start working now and start working from now on. Never listen negative people. Okay? I think this video was very informational, very helpful for the motivation, for the inspiration. And if you think, yeah, it's a real, I'm feeling the same problem, this is my life inspiration, so you can also comment in comment section and try to share with your friends if you think it's a helpful. It's a real example of my life. So try to share with your friends, because your friend can learn English also. Okay? And I will say you, so leave a comment in comment section, because it's very important for my life, for my inspiration, and I will be more inspired, and I will make video more and more. bad comment or good comment. It's your wish, but you have to leave a comment in comment section. I'll see you very soon with another video with another topic. Take care. Bye bye. So before offing the camera, I'll say to you again, so never adjust with negative people. Try to adjust with positive people all the time. You will be able to success one day. Allah Hafiz.